Sesame seeds, nutrient-rich marvel and bone health. Sesame seeds have served as an integral part of many dishes across the globe for a long time. They're packed with vital nutrients, antioxidants, and nutritious fats. This makes an excellent supplement to your food plan. They not only add a nutty, delicious taste to food and meals, they also provide various advantages, especially in relation to bones health. One of the most important ingredients found in sesame seeds is calcium. Calcium is vital to maintain strong bones and healthy joints and bones, and sesame seeds are an excellent source of the mineral. 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds has around 277 milligrams of calcium. This is an impressive amount when you consider that the daily recommended intake for adults is approximately 1,000 milligrams. Incorporating sesame seeds into your diet will help make sure that you are getting enough calcium, particularly for people who eat a vegetarian or vegan diet and be lacking calcium sources. Along with the calcium content, sesame seeds contain other bones-building minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and copper. They work together to improve the health of bones and to prevent diseases such as osteoporosis. Magnesium, for instance, aids in the absorption of calcium from bones, and phosphorus aids in the mineralization of bones. Copper is involved in the process of collagen synthesis. It creates the bone structure. Sesame seeds are a staple in the diet that give a boost natural to the health of your bones. Additionally, sesame seeds have an abundance of antioxidants, particularly the lignans that are associated with a variety of advantages for health, such as bones health. Lignans contain estrogen-like properties and can help regulate hormone levels, particularly for women in postmenopausal stages who are more at chance of becoming osteoporosis. Through regulating the hormone levels, they can boost bone strength and decrease the chance of breaking bones. Alongside their high nutrient amount, sesame seeds provide other health benefits. Healthy fats in sesame seeds, which include monounsaturated and polyunsaturated oils, are able to reduce inflammation within the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to a variety of health issues such as osteoporosis. Incorporating sesame seeds in your diet, you could possibly reduce inflammation and help support general bone health. There are many ways you can incorporate sesame seeds in your food. You can sprinkle them over salads as well as stir fries, roasting vegetables, or even use to make a crust on chicken or fish. It is also possible to make sesame seed butter, often referred to as tahini, to make a dip or spread. Tahini is a tasty, healthy alternative to many spreads like mayonnaise or peanut butter. Sesame seeds may also be baked into to give flavor and the texture of muffins, bread, as well as cookies. Although sesame seeds provide a number of health benefits, it's important to consume the seeds in moderation as they're high in calories. A single ounce of sesame seeds has about 160 calories. It is therefore recommended to take note of your portions and include sesame seeds in an energizing and balanced diet. Sesame seeds are an amazing source of nutrients that can provide a variety of health benefits, especially in relation to bones health. The high content of calcium, together with the other minerals that support bone health, are a great supplement to a food plan. Additionally, the lignans found in sesame seeds aid in regulating hormone levels and decrease the chance of developing osteoporosis. When you include sesame seeds into your diet, you will be able to take pleasure in their tasty flavor and support your bones' well-being. Why not add sesame seeds over your next dish and benefit from the advantages that they can provide?